3 minutes.
Ogera bingi kubanga lusiru nakulwa speech. Mwebale nnyo okujja kuwagira Spice. Nkaitaka Spice. Mwebale nnyo okujja kuwagira Spice. But most importantly, I want to thank all the musicians who have come here tonight. Kubanga bagala nnyo okutulabisanga abantu abalwana, abateewagira, abateeyagaliza. So I'm always happy to see musicians supporting each other. So it's really good to see you guys. Mwena bazze mwebale nnyo. Ate ne Spice Diana mwana mulungi. She's a lovely girl. You know? Anyone who's met Spice, ate sijubisa kubanga muba mukolo gwe. Anyone who's met Spice, she's a lovely girl. Her heart is so pure. Spice will check on you for no reason at all. Muno mu industry yaffe kiri rare. Abantu bali busy, buli omu akola bibye. Ne Spice makes time now checking up. When you need something, she's there. I call Spice Nemuga, I need something, and she's like, can I come now? I can come right now. Like she's made it and come this far like me. You need to respect that, because it's not easy. We live in an industry where a woman is judged more than the man. And yet we have more responsibilities than the man. Muchitegera. Guys do it in sneakers, we do it in heels. And then we also have to have babies. And then we have to take care of our husbands and still be on top. That's amazing. I'm just saying, women, Katonda yatutonda na tutekamu ekirungo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to introduce Star Girl, the EP. Put your hands together for Spice Diana's EP. Tonight is a special night. Star Girl, the EP, ladies and gentlemen.
Just before you go, can I take a picture with you, please?
Over there, what did watch the watching? So. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the EP. I hope you love it. It's special. It's especially done for you guys. Enjoy it.
Okay.
I'm going to do the same.
Put your hands together for Juliana Kanyomozi, ladies and gentlemen. Also, before we kick off, I expected Spice to be seated with the Katikiro, so Simani Walazi. Wali? Jagala baga with a flash, Williamo, Ajiteke Motokaye. Manager Rojo Waliwa. Aha. Choo. Kazindalo Kawe, make holding.
Otherwise, Sika Tonda, Okolo Sanga to go and